Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 Mini versus Standard, which size should you choose? In this video, I'm comparing the Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 Mini with the standard version to help you choose the right size before you buy. First, here's the most important thing to understand. Mini does not mean you're getting fewer features or lower performance. Both versions are the same OpenRun Pro 2 headphones, with the same dual-pitch technology, up to 12 hours of battery life, USB-C charging, IP55 sweat and water resistance, and open-ear design. The key difference is simply the size and fit of the band. So how do you choose? Shokz provides a very simple measurement method. Take a flexible measuring tape and start at the center of your left ear. Run the tape around the back of your head to the center of your right ear, following roughly the same path where the headphone band will sit. Now check your measurement. If the distance is more than 9.25 inches or 23.5 centimeters, Shokz recommends the standard OpenRun Pro 2. If your measurement is under 9.25 inches or 23.5 centimeters, choose the Mini. But measurement isn't the only consideration. Think about how you want the headphones to feel during exercise. If the standard version leaves a large gap behind your head or moves around noticeably when you're running, the Mini may give you a more secure and comfortable fit. In fact, independent testing of the OpenRun Pro 2 found the standard model extremely stable overall. Although the reviewer noted that a smaller band might have reduced some movement at the back of the head. The standard version makes more sense if you have a larger head or simply prefer additional space between the band and the back of your head. And don't choose the Mini just because the word Mini sounds lighter or more portable. Your priority should be fit. Both versions deliver essentially the same core listening experience, so you're choosing between two band sizes rather than two different performance levels. Here's a pro tip. If you're close to the size cutoff, think about how you'll actually use the headphones. For running and intense workouts, a closer-fitting band can help minimize movement. If you regularly wear hats, glasses, or other equipment, also consider how everything fits together before deciding. So which should you choose? If your ear-to-ear measurement around the back of your head is under 9.25 inches, go with the OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. If it's over 9.25 inches, choose the standard. The good news is that you're not sacrificing sound quality, battery life, or major features either way. You're simply choosing the OpenRun Pro 2 that fits your head better. If you found this comparison helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments. Are you choosing the Mini or the standard?